Imagine a weapon so advanced it can track, lock, and destroy incoming threats in seconds. A weapon that has become a symbol of defense, deterrence, and global power projection. This is the Patriot Missile System, the shield of modern warfare. First developed during the Cold War, the Patriot was designed to defend against enemy aircraft and missiles, but today its role has expanded far beyond that. From the Middle East to Eastern Europe, the Patriot stands as America's frontline defense against ballistic missiles, drones, and even hypersonic threats. What makes the Patriot so powerful? At its core lies an advanced radar system capable of tracking more than 100 targets simultaneously. Its missiles can intercept threats at ranges up to 160 kilometers, striking with pinpoint accuracy. And with continuous upgrades, the system has evolved into a modern marvel of defense technology. In Ukraine, the Patriot has been credited with intercepting advanced Russian missiles, including the much-feared Kinzhal Hypersonic. In the Middle East, it has protected cities from incoming rocket barrages. For America's allies, from Poland to South Korea, the Patriot isn't just a missile system, it's a guarantee of security in an unpredictable world. But here's the question. In an age where Russia develops hypersonic weapons and China expands its missile arsenal, can the Patriot keep up? Is it truly invincible, or just a stepping stone to the next generation of missile defense? One thing is certain, the Patriot missile is more than a weapon. It's a statement, a declaration that in modern warfare, defense is just as powerful as offense. And for America and its allies, the Patriot is the shield that defines the battlefield of tomorrow.
little boom. And give it a little more pressure. Okay, pull a little bit. There you go. All right, there you go. Good gear. There we go. Found it.